हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विद तारिक। एंड आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है प्रिंसिपल ऑफ राइटिंग स्पेसिफिकेशन। स्पेसिफिकेशन परफेक्ट करने का जो प्रोसेस है उसके बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम कर लेते हैं इनका इंट्रोडक्शन। स्पेसिफिकेशन आर अ vital parts of construction documents and play a key role in the successful execution of trying to show the shape, size, and location of work. Specification define the quality, material, workmanship, method of execution. Follow clear and accurate specification that the design properly understood and ultimately implemented. The principle of writing specification focus on clarity, competency, accuracy, and consistency. Specification must be simple, precise, and free from ambiguity so that a contractor engineer and drawings can easily interpret and follow them. They should clearly state the type and quality of material, relevant codes, standard testing, requirement, and the method of measurement. Good specification reduce disputes, control quality, improve coordination between parties, and ensure compliance with design and safety requirements. Therefore, understanding the principle of writing specification is essential to achieve effective communication, proper construction practices, and successful project. Description of material. Material specification clearly define the type, quality, composition, and standard of material to be used in the project. This section ensures that all materials supplied are used in construction meet the required performance ability criteria identified by the designer. This material description shows that them source grade of glass, physical and chemical properties, and the relevant national or international standards such as STS, ASI, where applicable requirement for testing, handling, storage, and acceptance should also be specified to maintain clear and detailed material description help avoid the use of substandard or unauthorized material, reduce misunderstanding between the stakeholder and the ensure integrity in construction. Properly written material description contribute to the overall quality standard and effectivity of the structure. Workmanship. The workmanship refers to the quality and standard of skill, care, and execution applied in carrying out construction work. In specification, workmanship requirements define how materials are to be handled, installed, finished, and protected to achieve the desired quality and performance of the structure. Good workmanship ensures that the construction work complies with the right specifications and relevant codes and standards. The certificate of partnership should clearly state the method of construction, level of skill, requirement, tolerance, surface finishing, alignment, and all special produced to be followed during execution. It should also include requirement for supervision, testing, during rotation, finishing work, and correction of defective work. All work should be carried out by experienced and competent labor under the proper technical supervision. Clear workmanship specification help maintain uniform quality, reduce defects, minimize work, and ensure the efficiency and the safety of the completed project. Therefore, defining workmanship standards is a crucial principle in writing effective construction specifications for civil engineering works. Tools and plans where all equipment, machinery, and appliances applied are required for the proper execution and completion of construction work. Specification this section define the condition and performing requirement for tool and plant to be used in the project. Ready and suitable equipment ensure efficiency, safety, quality, and timely completion of the project. The specification should state that all the tool and plant used in site must be in good working condition and capable of this work, they create the required standards, their necessary specifications are mixer, vibrator, compactor, fuel or testing equipment should be mentioned along with their minimum capability or performance criteria. Provision of maintenance, calibration, and replacement of faulty equipment should also be included. Proper specification of tool and class help achieve consistent workmanship, reduce discomfort and delays, ensure safety, compliance, and maintenance the overall quality of the project. Therefore, defining clear equipment or tool and class is an important element in writing effective construction specification. Protection of new work. Protection of new work refer to the safeguard freshly completed or partially completed construction from damages due to reaction or adverse environment effect. In specification, this section outlines the contracting responsibility to protect our new work until it has been properly secured and has been accepted by the engineer or client. Proper protection of the work ensure durability, maintains quality, prevent defects, and avoid costly repair or rework. Clearly, clearly requirements for the protection of new work are an essential principle in writing construction specification for whole engineering project. Expression. Specification refer to the manner in which requirement are written and communicated. It emphasizes to use the emphasize the clear and unambiguous languages so that the intent of the engineer or designer is easily understood by all parties involved in the project. Proper expression ensure that specifications are interpreted correctly and executed without confusion or many or misinterpretation. The language used in specification should be simple, direct, and consistent. Technical terms should be used correctly. Unnecessary parts should be avoided, and instructions should be stated clearly and positively. Vague phrases, double meanings, and contributory statement must be eliminated. Each clause should convey one clear idea with no scope for assumption or personal interpretation. Good expression improves communication, reduces disputes, ensuring uniform understanding, and the help to achieve the desired quality of work. Therefore, clear and effective expression is a fundamental principle in the writing sound and reliable construction specification. Clauses of specification. Clauses of the individual section are stated clearly define the requirements of a construction project. Each clause deal with the specification aspect of the work and together they form a complete and systematical description of how the project is to be executed in accordance with the design intent. A typical specification consists of the following main clause. So first of all, it is general description of work. This clause defines the nature and scope of the work, including location, extent, and general condition under which the work is to be carried out. Second is the description of material. It specifies the type, quality, grade, standard, and source material to be used in the work. And the third is workmanship. This clause describes the method of execution, skill required, quality of finish, tolerances, and compliance with drawings and standards. And the fourth one is the tool and plants. Instead, the equipment and machinery to be used, ensuring they are suitable and adequate for achieving the required quality. Fifth is the protection of work. This clause defines the measure for protecting new and finished work from damage, weather effects, and deterioration until completion and acceptance. And sixth is the inspection and testing. Eighth, outline inspection procedure, testing method, frequency, and accepting criteria to ensure the quality control. And seven is the mode of measurement and payment. This class explains how the work will be measured and the basis on which payment will be made. Conclusion. Well-constructed classes make specification clear, complete, and easy to understand. Properly written clauses help avoid disputes, ensure quality construction, and contribute to the successful completion of the civil engineering project. So thank you very much for watching my video. We will meet very soon in the next video. Thank you.